Ilocos! Good morning, cows! Charot.
Teka. Akala nyo siguro travel vlog lang, no? May pa-plot twist!
Hello.
Yes.
Where are you going? I'm trying to go to Pagod or Burgos.
Pagod.
Yeah? Yeah? Can I
You
jump in?
eat?
Thank you. Okay, nice.
May namit akong afam na sobrang pogi.
Yeah, I'm single.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap para.
Ayan, sila yung mga pasimuno.
Go to China in 3 days.
You will leave me already.
I'm leaving already after 3 weeks. Yeah. It's not good for you.
Oh, sorry. I don't like LDR.
I take a picture to my parents and send it. I say I have
Yes. What Filipino food did you eat already?
my favorite is lechon.
Oh, lechon. Okay, we will buy lechon. We will eat lechon. We will buy lechon manok. Meet the parents. Kakaroon na kayo ng tito, huwag kayo magulo
Destiny na yan ni Tita. Wag gano'n. 61 years old.
Oh, but you look very young and handsome still.
Yes.
Yeah. My name is
Oh, this is my sister. This is your future sister-in-law.
Organic encounter te.
I'm single.
My auntie.
This is Auntie.
See? First date, meet the family, right? Let's go, babies.
Nagkaroon ka na ng jackpot, ha?
Yun ang tinatawag na organic encounter. Uy, you're so tall.
Huh?
You want to go to Manila?
No.
You go down?
Tita Tere, doon ka nga.
Sorry, Tita Tere, pero wala munang tita-tita
Joke lang.
ngayon. Afam is a fam.
Joke lang, Tita.
Cannot be married at 21. It's too early.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
too
it's
early
too
for
early.
you.
Yeah. 21?
Yes, he's
Yeah.
21. He's so young, but
Yeah,
I
very
don't
young.
care.
Do you not have a husband? You are very kind.
I think I've already found.
You think you have found? What's his
Yes.
name?
Tua.
Toa. He seems like a nice guy from Denmark.
Eme lang. Yes. Eme lang.
Because you get so many good experiences from meeting you and stuff like that.
Introduce yourself to the family.
Okay. I introduce myself in Tagalog, okay? Kamusta? Ako si Toa.
At hindi rin naman ako nagpahuli sa video kaya dahil pinakita ko talaga kay Afam kung anong ibubog ako. At pati naman yung signature song ko sa karaoke na Duyan by Sarah G talagang kinanta ko para kay Afam dahil baka maipadala na ako na ito sa snow.
The next day.
Morning! Sa kami ng beach, maglalakad kami pero hinahanap namin yung Afam. Dito kami, tabi kami. Wow.
At bago nga siya bumalik pa Manila, sinama namin siya sa dagat at sumakay pa nga kami ng banana boat ride. Sabi ni Afam, first time niya daw mag-banana boat, kaya naman sana nag-enjoy siya sa experience na to. Pero sa totoo lang, parang mas ako yung nag-enjoy after ng banana boat ride na to dahil sa mga nakita ko.
Goodbye.
Hinatid na din namin si Afam sa sakayan ng bus
Say bye-bye
Palawan.
to your best friend.
Yeah.
Few moments later.
Bumuni-muni ako kasi wala na yung Afam ko. Umuwi na siya. Afam! It's been a good run, Afam. Afam! Where are you? 1, 2, 3.